The digital nomad dream is more than just a trendy lifestyle. It's a transformative way to live and work. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves crashing on a beach in Bali or sipping coffee in a quaint cafe in Lisbon, all while building your career. The benefits are immense: flexibility, adventure, and the freedom to choose your workspace. But to truly thrive as a digital nomad, you need to harness the power of SEO and AI tools. SEO, or search engine optimization, is your best friend when it comes to finding clients. In a world where competition is fierce, having a strong online presence is crucial. It's not just about having a website. It's about making sure that when potential clients search for your services, they find you first. Effective SEO strategies can help you rank higher on search engines, driving organic traffic to your portfolio and increasing your chances of landing gigs. Now, let's talk about how AI can simplify your SEO tasks. There are incredible tools out there that can analyze keywords, optimize your content, and even track your website's performance. Imagine using AI to generate keyword ideas or to create compelling meta descriptions that attract clicks. These tools save you time and help you focus on what you do best, delivering quality work to your clients. So, how do you become a digital nomad? Here's a step-by-step roadmap. First, identify your skills and niche. What services can you offer remotely? Next, build a professional website showcasing your portfolio. Invest time in learning SEO basics. Understanding keywords, backlinks, and content marketing will set you apart. Then start networking online. Join freelance platforms, engage in social media groups, and connect with other digital nomads. Once you've established your online presence, it's time to take the leap. Choose a destination that excites you and make sure it has reliable internet. Pack your essentials and don't forget to plan your finances. Create a budget that allows for both work and play. Living the digital nomad lifestyle is exhilarating. Picture yourself working from a rooftop terrace with a stunning view, meeting fellow travelers, and exploring new cultures. It's a life filled with experiences that enrich your personal and professional growth. If this resonates with you, consider subscribing to stay updated on tips and insights that can help you on your journey. Engaging with this community can provide support and inspiration as you embark on your own digital nomad adventure. Embrace the freedom, leverage SEO and AI, and start living the life you've always dreamed of.